Welcome to MegaTrade101.com video presentation on the foreign exchange market. Today we will be focusing on the US dollar index as we feel that it is one of the most essential tools that we need to be able to focus on how the direction of the US dollar is set, especially on this week. Week ending the 28th day of May, and as for the month, which would be on Monday, will give us an indication that the dollar may push through simply because the non-farm payrolls will be coming out. As far as the US dollar index is concerned, it may give a trigger or accelerate higher if the figures on the non-farm payrolls would be much more than expected. We just wanted to focus on the range between 81.00 basis point to as high as 87.46 basis point, which was the highest so far. And the initial target objective for the dollar index for the June contract month on the futures market would be basically on the equilibrium price of 88.80, which is actually within striking distance, simply because of its correction back down to the 85.50 level and retracing back up to the 86.87 level, closing for the 28th of May. If the figures on the non-farm payrolls would be much more than expected, as we did mention, the next acceleration for the next leg up would be at the 88 level, triggering a possible low for the euro as well as the pound, although the pound may not move lower unlike the euro. However, we would like to concentrate here that the 86.87, when the price moves lower on the opening of Monday US trading sessions, the possibility of it moving lower here, not lower than 86.00 basis points, which is the previous low of that day, basically the next acceleration would be higher, although there may be some probable divergence on the high side that may result on a day-to-day basis where corrections lower may eventually move to that direction. The trend is obviously higher and on a bullish tone, and the volumes actually and the open interest for the June contract month is increasingly higher every week, especially now that the next important news that would be coming out would simply be able to have the dollar index move to that direction. So please watch out the movement on the futures market, especially the US dollar index. That would give a clear indication where the direction of the euro as well as the more important dollar yen and dollar Swiss would also be showing their weakness as far as value is concerned, meaning that the US dollar Swiss will still continue to move higher, contrary to the positions and the movement of the dollar yen. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day and best to your trading.